Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Dollar Tree resin DIY. So we're going to use the Dollar Tree resin along with one of these ocean animal molds. I got 6 different animals for about $15 on Amazon, so they were pretty reasonably priced. This is the jellyfish mold, and this is the one we're going to use for this DIY. So the Dollar Tree resin is a part A, part B. It's like 1-to-1 mixture. I am just going to mix them together here. I use just the Target plastic bathroom cups for that, and the silicone popsicle sticks. I get those on Amazon as well. And this is kind of a fairly bigger piece, so I'm going to go ahead and do 2 sets. So an A and B in each cup. And then I am going to mix in some of the Dollar Tree glass beads. These are blue, they're really pretty, different shades of blue, but I think it's going to look really cool and make it look like a spotted jellyfish. And I want to do one part clear and then one part with the beads mixed in. And the reason that I'm doing it that way is because I want the top of the jellyfish to have like this cool pattern of blue glass beads in it. And what we're going to be doing with this resin DIY is making it into a beautiful sun catcher for my window. So I just pour that in the top part, and then I use the clear resin to fill up all of the little tentacles that are off the jellyfish. And then I want them to be spotted too, so I use just one type of the blue glass bead and fill in the tentacles, kind of scattering those all over. You can rearrange things while it's still wet, and you have plenty of work time here. I used kind of like the blue lavender shade to kind of form a border around the jellyfish, and they looked pretty good, so I went ahead and used all those different colors, but you can see that it's a little bit bluer in the middle. I set it aside overnight and let it dry. And now it's time to take the silicone mold off and see what we have. At this point, it's still a little pliable, but it is hard enough to be taken out of the mold. And it turned out just beautiful. I think this would be really pretty in a color as well. And I'm just going to trim up some of the tentacles anywhere that has any sharp edges just with a razor blade. And then making this into a sun catcher is so easy. I got some of these little screw eyes on Amazon that I'm going to screw in the top. You can always drill a hole in the resin as well if you don't have one of these. But since it's so malleable, I can just screw that in without any need to drill. And then I also got some of these little suction cups on Amazon. I think you probably can find these at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just using some fishing line and tying that off. And then we are going to tie that through that little eyelet. And we have a really easy sun catcher. It's so pretty. It looks great in my window. Let me show you how it turned out. I love it. And if you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.